Sean B. Today I'm trying something different. I am making a Snickers cheesecake! We need to crush the biscuits until they are like breadcrumbs. Oh. Incredible Hulk. Just put it in. Now time to put the lid on. And now press start. Pour the melted butter into the biscuits. Oh, that's hot. And now just press start. Oh wow. Tip the biscuits in and make a base. Oh, that's, oh wow. Just tip it. La-di-da-di-da. Making a base. $500 grams of cream cheese into the bowl. Cut it. This is sticky. Mix it until it's smooth. This looks good. We have 300 mils of condensed milk. Pour in. Oh, feel bad. Oh yum, this looks like custard. Oh, bit messy. Make sure you get extras. That smells like cheese. Oh, these are hard ones. Oh, look at the cream and caramel. Put some of our Snickers into some of the 600 mils of cream. So now we're gonna melt it in the microwave. remaining cream. Smells good. We have 3 tablespoons of gelatin dissolved in boiling water. Looks like egg yolk. Oh, it smells good. Chop up the remaining Snickers, then dump them in. All finished! Now I put it in the fridge until it's set. If you like my recipe and have any questions, comment below. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. See ya!